My name's Scarlett. My channel is The Scarlett Social. Today I have some of my favorite shoes from Amazon. We've got some spring and summer finds and some year-round sneakers, just some of my favorites. Sorry if I'm a little stuffy. My allergies are literally out of control right now. And it's definitely making me sound a little different. So that's why I'm very stuffed up. My allergies are going wild. But first up are these pair of Nike platforms. Look at these. I got the ones that have this like really gorgeous blue, but these come in a bunch of different colors. So we have this lime green, the pink, it has this cute little situation here, and they're just so cute. Aren't these so fun? I just feel like these are so good for spring and so good for summer. I just love these so much. They're so cute. So definitely check these out if you're looking for some new sneakers, and I just really like these a lot. Aren't they good? So really one of my favorite sneakers. My sister saw I was wearing these and she was like, I gotta get these, give me the link. I love that they have a platform. Platform sneakers are very in right now, but I love the colors of these. Are very Easter. So definitely not a typical sneaker I would buy with these kind of colors, but I also love them that they come in just like your classic like white and black and just like basic colors for every day. So really cute and really comfortable as well. Okay, next up I have a pair of Wedges. Look at these. I can only find one, so I'm just holding up the one, but look how cute these are. Definitely more of a dressy wedge. Let me show you here. We have a little bow that you can just tie, and it's so cute. I get so many compliments when I wear these. Look at this. Super adorable little espadrille wedges. I love the bow. They're just really fun. Great for spring break coming up. Great for summer. Really nice, beautiful, kind of like a light cream pink color there. They're really cute, and I just think that they're so comfortable. I like that they have a little bit of a heel going, but not too high. So really great find if you're looking for some new sandals, but you want ones that are dressy, but also not uncomfortable. These are just that. Also, I have linked my favorite Reefs. These are great for the beach or just walking around spring and summer. They have the double strap in white, and they're just really cute. Okay, next up, where did I bring the shoe? Oh, I have to go grab it. This is the Dream Paris. I'll go back to that one. Okay, I have these fun pink boots. You guys, these are so fun. They go right below the knee. I got these in pink. Look how fun these are. How cool are these? I got these for $50, but they're on sale today for 37% off, $31. They have the zipper that goes up the sides. These are just super cool. They come in really fun neon colors, and I just love these. I wore these when I went to an Amazon event in LA, actually, with a cute little like tweed set with a little skirt and blazer and a tank top, and then these for a pop of fun, like color and fun. And I always just get so many compliments when I wear these. They're very comfortable because the heel has a nice wedge to it. They're very comfortable. They're just really good and just really fun. If you have a fun event coming up and you want to have a pop of color in your outfit, these are really cool. And I just really enjoy those. Next up, these are more of a, I don't know what is this, 20s? I'm not sure what style this is, but they're super cute. I saw the tag on these, but look how cute these are. They're very comfortable, very like Parisian 1920s style. I can see these with like some stockings and a little skirt and a blazer. I think they'd be really cute. They're $34, so really great price and very cute and trendy. Okay, next up, these are probably my favorite currently for the spring and for summer. These are really cute. Look at these sandals. Hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Told you, my allergies. I don't know if I'm getting a cold or allergies, but I'm definitely very stuffed up. But so they have this really cute wedge. They have the crisscross at the top, and these are so comfortable, you guys. I wore these when I was pregnant and they were so comfortable. So definitely a really great find with the heel, but not a stiletto. And I just really enjoy them. They're so cute. I love this color too. I've also linked up my favorite Doc Martens. I grabbed these in the color white, but they come in black too. And also Amazon Essentials has these really good like everyday throw in and go sandals. Look at them. I love this, the shape of these. They're really cool. Also, it's really easy to bring these with you. You literally can just go like this and throw them in your suitcase or even your carry-on bag. They like literally take up no room. Look at that. I just literally take one and put it in the other, and then just throw it in your tote bag. So they're really good for switching it up if you want to wear like boots and you live somewhere cold and you want to switch into some sandals somewhere hot. These are really good for that. So love these. Next up, these are a little more dressy. So if you have a night out coming up, or maybe you're going on vacation, but you're going to go to like a fancy dinner or something, these are really strappy fun. Black sandals. Look at all the straps. These are so, so cute. I just love them so much. So definitely check these out if you're looking for more of a dressy, like date night kind of look. These are really cute, and they're actually not too uncomfortable. They're a little bit like, look at the heel. You know what I mean? So obviously they are a high heel, but they are so fun, so dressy, and just really elegant. I love to wear these. Next up, these are a #1 new bestseller. These are, if you're looking for a pair of Espadrilles wedges, which are always in style. Look at these. They're the perfect height. They're not too tall. And then I love the black, but these also come in brown and other color options. They're 31% off today, so a really good deal. And I just find these to be very, very cute and also very comfortable. These are great for spring break coming up, for summer. Just a really great find and a really beautiful sandal. Okay, another dressy option by LifeStride. This is a really good shoe brand. These are so comfortable. I could not believe it. Look at the fun detail of this strap here. Aren't these cool? So they have a zipper in the back, and then you just put your foot through here. It's stretchy. And then we have this like beautiful champagne gold. I love these so much. I think that they're so pretty. So definitely check these out if you're looking for a more dressy option. So really enjoy all these shoes. This was just a really quick jump on and go live today. I just wanted to wrap up, gather up some of my favorite shoes and just share with you guys. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.